reached out to JumpGrowth because our company is a small company, and what we wanted is to develop a set of automated tests for our UI, our front end. It didn't make a lot of sense to hire a full-time engineer to do something that's essentially should be a fairly short-term requirement. So it seemed to make sense to find somebody that would build something like that. So I reached out to JumpGrowth for that reason. It worked really well. Our issue really more than anything was that we didn't have any automated testing at all, so they had to start from scratch. And they were really good about it. What JumpGrowth did is actually put a manual tester in place, so we got testing results immediately while we had an automated tester building the actual framework that we needed out of Selenium. So JumpGrowth addressed our needs by, like I said, putting a manual tester in place right away, so we got some testing results quickly. Put another full-time person on place to build the automated testing scripts or framework that we needed. They were very good about being flexible. We ended up changing our UI completely halfway through the project, so it meant the automated testing had to essentially be rewritten, and people didn't pull out their hair and scream and run. They just said, "Oh, okay," and got back to building it again. So did a really good job. We're very flexible and provided the solution we needed. Yeah, first and foremost, we got testing results that were third party or a second set of eyes, so it wasn't just us looking at our own code, so that was valuable all by itself. Second, we got a testing framework that's checked into source code control or source control, so that we have the means to do the testing ourselves. We don't have to rely on JumpGrowth in the future if we don't need to. However, JumpGrowth is available to, at a moment's notice to run the tests if we need them. So we kind of have a hybrid solution, which is really good for us. And so overall, we feel that JumpGrowth has done a very good job for us, considering our requirements were a little bit soft or squishy, so they did a good job of working and helping us define what we needed, which was good. They were flexible, as I said, in building a solution and having to rewrite it halfway through. And the end result is we have a test framework that we can run tests in-house, so we're not beholden to or dependent on JumpGrowth into the future if we don't need them. However, they are available at a moment's notice if we need on-the-spot testing or something like that. Additionally, as we change our UI, add features, etc., JumpGrowth is always available to add to that test harness, test framework, and improve upon it as we need. So they've helped us discover issues that we didn't see in the system, provide automated testing so that we have a way to check new builds and releases to make sure we haven't introduced problems into those. It's been generally a very good partnership.